My dear Jamaican child, as you get older, you will begin to learn about where you come from and where you want to go, but do not let where you come from deprive you of who you want to be. You can do what you want to do and be who you want to be. And in order for you to be who you want to be, you must study and work continuously at it. And if you try really hard, without giving up, you can accomplish anything. And when you reach your goals, you can become the master of your own destiny. And when you are your own master, you will be able to teach your art to others.